Woundclot is an exceptional tool for controlling bleeding in large area wounds. The first thing you need to do is to get prepared. Begin by wearing gloves to maintain hygiene and protect yourself. Then open the Woundclot package, unfold the haemostatic gauze. So obviously this is a training situation, but in the real world you would cut away all the clothing and then you would apply the Woundclot directly over the wound. If the wound is large, you might need to cover with multiple gauzes. Cover the entire area of the wound, ensuring that the gauze is in direct contact with the wound bed. Apply direct pressure over the Woundclot gauze for a few minutes. This pressure encourages the formation of a clot. One of Woundclot's unique characteristics is the ability to adhere to the wound site even under challenging conditions. This ensures constant contact between the bleeding site and the gauze, facilitating a faster clotting. Woundclot promotes rapid blood coagulation and the creation of a robust clot, which serves to control the bleeding effectively, even in severe situations. It's crucial to keep an eye on the wound after applying Woundclot. This is to ensure that bleeding has been controlled and no complications are developing. Once the bleeding is under control, Woundclot will be removed by a healthcare professional. Its unique feature is that it can be dissolved using saline or water for a painless removal process, unlike other haemostatic dressings which have to be surgically cut away. Remember, despite Woundclot's ease of use, managing a large area wound is a serious matter that should be handled by a trained healthcare professional. Always seek professional medical attention promptly in case of severe bleeding. We're now going to have a look at the actual product you would use. Now, if it's a large area, for example on this chest, we could use the 20 by 30 centimetre Woundclot. Now to open it, you've got little nicks in each corner. Literally just tear that so the product comes out. You can remove the Woundclot, and then this is the actual gauze pad itself. So it's a large area. So if you did have to cover a large area, you can literally take this gauze, put it over the entire area, and then that's going to react. So that's literally how easy it is. Now, if you don't have this size of gauze and you've only got the smaller ones, you could cover it with lots of smaller bits, or maybe you've got the 8 by 100 and you can cut it into strips and apply those over. But having this larger size in your first aid kit is really useful if you did get a larger area. The advantage of this also is you can easily tear it. So if you needed it a different size, literally just tear that and you can put it onto a larger area again, and you avoid any wastage. So in this instance here, that covers over nice and easily. If you've got other sorts of cuts, again, you can just apply the single piece on.